guys, it is me, your friend, Judah here today. This may be a little glitchy because I'm at my house. I'm not in my normal recording spot. Need to get this. I'm on my tablet, not my computer, which is different. So I'm just going into my brother's orc save base right now. Yeah, can't. Same here, I can't switch in the middle of the video, which is terrible. But yeah, this is like a hammock, a ton of chairs. Just rained. Got this little, oh, you can't see in here. Wait, can you now? No, but they have this like, what piece of, you have the duck under. Then they got a little space back there that there's orc-proof base. You can barely even see me. This is sad. Here. It's just so glitchy. I'm sorry, guys. But thank you for watching. And hopefully I'll see you again. I hope. And I'm going to be showing you some pictures that I drew. This is inspired by Art for Kids Hub. Drew my brother Ben, sister Abby, Andrew, Bill, adorable watermelon. Yep. Bye.